Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW X6, one of the most striking luxury SUVs on the market. The X6 has always stood out for its coupe-like styling and performance, and the 2025 model takes that reputation even further. Right from the first look, the exterior of the new X6 gives off a powerful and premium vibe. BMW has sharpened the front fascia, with slimmer adaptive LED headlights and a more aggressive kidney grille that now comes with optional illumination. The overall design feels sleeker, thanks to the smooth body lines and a reworked rear end that features slimmer taillights and an integrated spoiler. The coupe-like roofline remains a signature element, giving it that bold and sporty look that sets it apart from traditional SUVs. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that blends luxury with cutting-edge tech. The cabin now features BMW's new curved display, which combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen under a single piece of glass. The dashboard has been simplified, with fewer physical buttons, as most functions are now controlled via the iDrive 8.5 system. It's intuitive, fast, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are extremely comfortable and supportive, wrapped in high-quality Vernasca leather, with optional multi-contour and massaging front seats. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and the premium Harman Kardon sound system take the luxury feel up a notch. Rear seat passengers also enjoy generous legroom, though the sloping roof does limit a bit of headroom in the back. When it comes to performance, the 2025 X6 doesn't disappoint. The xDrive 40i variant comes with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, producing 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. This setup allows the SUV to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 5.2 seconds, which is impressive for a vehicle of its size. The engine is smooth, powerful, and the 8-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly. For those craving more performance, the M60i version features a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 that puts out a massive 523 horsepower. Both models come with standard all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and optional rear-wheel steering for enhanced agility. The handling is sharp, almost like a sports sedan, and the ride remains composed even over rough surfaces. As for pricing, the 2025 BMW X6 xDrive 40i starts around $74,000, while the high-performance M60i model can take you closer to $94,000 depending on options. Sure, it's a premium price, but you're getting a lot of value in terms of luxury, technology, and performance. With its updated design, advanced interior, and dynamic driving experience, the 2025 X6 remains one of the top choices for those looking for a sporty yet luxurious SUV. If you're in the market for something bold, powerful, and tech-savvy, this SUV definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist.